In this tutorial, we're going to take a look at the Object Selection tool and Affinity Photo tool. So the Object Selection tool is an AI tool in Affinity Photo that lets you select objects using machine learning. And if you've never used it before, it might tell you that you need to install something. You can find those settings under Edit Settings, and then here in Machine Learning, you will have to install the segmentation add-on to be able to use the Object Selection tool. But then the Object Selection tool is here in your left toolbar. And when you select that, as you can see, if I now hover on top of the image here, it will select an object it thinks you want to have selected because you're hovering over it. But you can fine-tune that selection by holding the Alt or Option key to select one thing. As you can see now, it does more of a selection of the thing I'm hovering on top of, but sometimes it takes two things because they're close together. But you can do is then hold down the Alt or Option key in combination with the Shift key. As you can see now, it selects only one thing which I'm hovering on top of. And with the Alt or Option key, it often selects two things at the same time if they're close together. So then it's Alt or Option in combination with the Shift key, and you can select those things separately. And furthermore, if you release everything and you just hover on top of an object, it lets you select that object. So it's an easy way to use Object Selection tool and fine-tune it in Affinity Photo too. Let me know in the comments below if you liked this video. Be sure to press the thumbs up button if you did. Press the subscribe button if you want to see more of my videos. I have new tutorials going live every week. And for now, thank you for watching my video. Stay creative, and I hope to see you in the next one.